Hi, I am B. Janardhan Reddy. In this video, you will be learning the formation of spherical mirrors and their types. See here. Here, I am taking a hollow glass sphere. From this glass sphere, I am going to take a small portion, a small part, a small section. So this is the center of the hollow glass sphere. This is a hollow glass sphere, and from this glass sphere I am going to take a section. A section of the hollow surface has been cut. See how I am going to cut this? Yes. So a section of the hollow glass sphere has been cut like this. Okay, so this is the section I want to make two types of spherical mirrors. So to the above cut surface, we can paint either outer surface to become the inner surface as the reflecting surface, or we can paint inner surface to become the outer surface as the reflecting surface. We can paint either side. See here, from the above cut surface, if the outer surface is painted, then inner surface will become as the reflecting surface. Then the concave mirror will be formed. Okay, so from the above cut surface, if the outer surface is silvered or painted, then its inner surface will become as the reflecting surface. Then the so formed mirror is called concave mirror. See here, this is the small portion we have cut already. So this is the concave mirror. Outer surface is painted. You can see the margin also here. So outer surface is painted, and the inner surface, this is white surface, is the inner surface. So inner surface is the reflecting surface. So it is like a cave that is curved inward. That's why it is called as the concave mirror. So painted this side, and this will be the reflecting surface. So as the reflecting surface is curved inward, that's why it is called as the concave mirror. On the other hand, if the inner surface is painted, then the outer surface will become as the reflecting surface. Then the so formed mirror is called as the convex mirror. Let us see here. From the previous cut surface, if the inner surface is painted, then the outer surface will become as the reflecting surface. Then the convex mirror will be formed. See here. So this is the inner surface, left side. This is the inner surface. Inner surface is silvered or painted. So this white surface, this is the outer surface. So the outer surface is the reflecting surface now. The outer surface is curved outward, otherwise it is bulged out. That's why it is called as the convex mirror. So painted this side, and this is the reflecting surface, this one. Okay, so it is a convex mirror. So how many spherical mirrors we have? We have two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave mirror and the other one is convex mirror. So here are the two mirrors. You can see here what type of mirror it is. It is a concave mirror because this is the reflecting surface, concave mirror, and this is the convex mirror. This is the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface is here curved inward, here it is curved outward. This is the convex mirror. So here are the symbols for the concave and convex mirrors. While drawing the ray diagrams, we use these symbols only. This is the concave mirror and it is represented by this symbol. This lines indicates painted outside. So this is the symbol we use for concave mirror, and here convex mirror symbol, painted inner side, convex mirror. Here once again I will explain how a halo sphere is cut and painted to make both types of mirrors. Let us see here. Let us cut the two halo glass spheres. First I will cut this one. Okay, so how nicely it has been cut, you can see. This is the portion of the halo sphere and it is painted outer side, this side. So inner surface is the reflecting surface, hence it is called concave mirror. Let us cut the second halo sphere also. Okay, so the painting has been done inner side and the outer side is the reflecting surface. So here are the two mirrors. It is the concave mirror. Okay, painted outer side and inner side is the reflecting surface, hence it is a concave mirror. Similarly, painted inner side and the reflecting surface is this one. Outer side is the reflecting surface, so it is convex mirror. So here are the two mirrors. So here types of spherical mirrors. How many types of spherical mirrors we have? We have two types of spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are of two types. One is concave mirror and the other one is convex mirror. The first one is concave mirror. Okay, so this is the concave mirror. and this one is the reflecting surface, and this outer side is the rough surface or silver painting has been done outer side. The reflecting surface, this one, the reflecting surface is curved inward, hence it is called concave mirror. You can see here also, this one is the rough surface and this one inner surface is the reflecting surface. And the second type of mirror is convex mirror. See here, here I am showing only the symbols, and this is the reflecting surface. The reflecting surface is curved outward or it is bulged out. That's why it is a convex mirror. And this side painting has been done, silver painting has been done inner side. Otherwise, you can say, in other words, this is the rough surface, okay, and this one is the reflecting surface. So the reflecting surface is curved outward. See here, hence it is called convex mirror. So with this, two types of mirrors we have learnt, and in the next coming video I will tell you the terminology related to spherical mirrors. Thank you.